The Western Caribbean Sea is currently home to a developing weather system with the potential to significantly impact the southeastern United States. Designated as Invest 97L by the National Hurricane Center, this system, anticipated to become Tropical Storm Helene, has the potential to strengthen into a hurricane. Residents in these areas are urged to closely monitor forecasts, review their hurricane preparedness plans, and be ready to take action. As of September 23, 2024, Invest 97L is characterized by disorganized thunderstorms but shows signs of gradual organization. The National Hurricane Center has scheduled its first Hurricane Hunter reconnaissance mission to investigate the system further. This mission will provide valuable data to refine forecasts and improve our understanding of Helene's potential development. The coming days will be crucial in determining the storm's future path and intensity. As Helene moves into the Gulf of Mexico, conditions appear favorable for further intensification. The warm waters of the Gulf act as fuel for hurricanes. Helene could make landfall as a hurricane on Thursday. The likely landfall zone is between Florida's Big Bend and the Panhandle. Forecast models show a range of possibilities for Helene's track. Some models suggest a track as far east as Florida's west coast, while others indicate southeastern Louisiana. This uncertainty underscores the importance of vigilance for all residents along the northern Gulf Coast. Several factors contribute to the potential for Helene to intensify into a powerful hurricane. Firstly, the northwestern Caribbean and parts of the Gulf of Mexico are experiencing unusually high water temperatures, providing ample heat energy for the storm to draw upon. This heat acts as fuel, allowing the storm to strengthen rapidly under the right conditions. Secondly, wind shear. The change in wind speed and direction with height is currently low over the Gulf of Mexico. Low wind shear is favorable for hurricane development as it allows the storm to maintain its structure and intensify. Conversely, high wind shear can disrupt a hurricane's circulation, weakening it. The combination of high ocean heat content and low wind shear creates an environment conducive to rapid intensification. This means Helene could strengthen from a relatively weak tropical storm to a major hurricane in a short period, increasing the potential for significant impacts at landfall. Bracing for impact: heavy rainfall, flooding, and coastal concerns. While it's still too early to determine the exact impacts of Helene, heavy rainfall is a significant concern. The storm is expected to produce substantial rainfall, primarily along and east of its track. The heaviest rainfall is anticipated from Thursday into Friday across parts of the southeast, but bands of heavy rain could arrive as early as Wednesday. This rainfall could lead to widespread flash flooding, especially in areas that experience storm surge and in regions with higher elevations. Flash floods can occur quickly and with little warning, posing a serious threat to life and property. It's crucial for residents in potentially affected areas to be aware of the risks and have a plan in place to seek higher ground if needed. Coastal areas will also need to prepare for the possibility of storm surge, a rise in sea level caused by a hurricane's powerful winds pushing water toward the shore. The extent of storm surge will depend on Helene's intensity and track, but it has the potential to cause significant coastal flooding and erosion. Preparedness is key, staying informed and taking action now. With Helene potentially impacting the southeastern United States, preparedness is crucial. Residents should stay informed and monitor official weather forecasts. Pay attention to updates on Helene's track and potential impacts. Review your hurricane plan with your family. Know your evacuation route and ensure you have enough supplies. Secure loose objects and trim trees. Stock up on food, water, and other essentials. By taking these steps, you can keep your loved ones safe during a hurricane. The days ahead. Monitoring Helene's development and heeding warnings. The coming days will be critical in determining the ultimate path and intensity of Tropical Storm Helene. Residents in potentially affected areas should remain vigilant, stay informed, and heed all warnings and advisories issued by local authorities. Pay close attention to updates on track and intensity. Even small changes in Helene's track can significantly impact which areas experience the most severe conditions. Monitor the latest forecast to stay informed about the storm's projected path and potential intensity at landfall. Rainfall amounts are another key concern. Heavy rainfall and the potential for flooding are significant concerns with Helene. Stay informed about projected rainfall amounts and be prepared to take action if flash flood warnings are issued for your area. Storm surge potential is also something coastal areas need to be particularly aware of. monitor forecasts for storm surge predictions, and be prepared to evacuate if necessary. Remember, hurricane preparedness is a shared responsibility. By staying informed, taking appropriate precautions, and looking out for one another, we can minimize the potential impacts of Tropical Storm Helene.